Another Jamaican man was also arrested along with Miller 9 after they were both caught on a CCTV camera.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Another Jamaican man, 34-year-old Andre Omar Andrews, a resident of Miramar in Florida, was arrested alongside former cop turned music producer, 41-year-old Omar Lloyd Miller, more popularly known as Miller 9, for a California murder and home invasion that was caught on closed-circuit television in October. They were both arrested by investigators in Miami on Tuesday the 17th of December and charged with murder, criminal conspiracy, and assault with a deadly weapon. They were held more than a month after investigators released footage of two men entering an Irvine, California home where one man was killed and another victim assaulted, but managed to survive the attack. Police identified the slain man as 20-year-old Raymond Alcala. Investigators theorize that the men went to the home on the 26th of October to commit a robbery when the murder occurred.
This video of these two murder suspects was taken inside the victim's home. Let's get right to that video. Police want you to take a look at this. You see in the video the two suspects coming into this home, guns in hand. This happened on Bayleaf Lane here in Irvine on Saturday morning. Police were called out there. They first found one victim of that residence who had been assaulted by the robbery suspects, but that victim pointed them to another victim who was inside the house. That victim had been shot multiple times. Both victims, both the residents of that home, were taken to the hospital. Unfortunately, the man who had been shot multiple times was pronounced dead at the hospital. Now, police say as for the motive in this case, they believe it was robbery, though they don't know or aren't saying exactly what they think these suspects may have been after. But they also say they don't believe there is a bigger threat to the greater community because they say they believe these victims were for some reason targeted.
We do think that they were targeting these victims. We just are still investigating the reason why. But we do believe this to be a robbery. The two suspects made entry into the residence, assaulted our first victim, and eventually moved on to our second victim who was shot, and then they fled the residence after the assault.
The police say that the men are being held without bond, while Miller has an immigration hold on his file.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.